back to Tracy Finance 101. We've been talking about all this investment tips, but do you know where you can actually buy stocks? Where do you actually buy stocks? Well, first you're going to need a brokerage account. And lucky for you, there are a lot of businesses out there that offer brokerage accounts, such as TD Ameritrade, Charles Schwab's, even Robinhood. There are a lot of companies out there. And all you have to do is fund your account. And when I say fund your account is actually just like you open up a checking or savings, you got to put money in there. So you either wire money into your brokerage account, write them a check, or other methods. But basically, that's how you fund a brokerage account. And after there, you can start purchasing your stocks, your mutual funds, your ETFs as well. Okay, my lovelies, I hope that answers it for you.